So very warm welcome to class 5th children. How are you all? Fine?
I'm fine. I'm fine.
I'm
fine.
Okay. So now, whatever
Ma'am,
you
how are you?
all of you mute yourself. All of you mute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what you have to do is, you can ask your doubt now of me.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Avni. Your doubt, please.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, in chapter Kaziranga, ma'am, answer the following second question. Ma'am, so answer is, ma'am, its answer is, and in book it is given something else.
Beta, hold on, please. Titi, mute.
Kami ruko na.
Janyan, Titi, mute yourself. Let me listen to Avni first. What is her doubt? Then I can contact you. Just wait for a minute. Avni, read out the question once. Read out the question once.
Ma'am, the question is, write in brief the incident that makes the author feel that we chase and become the chased.
Okay. So you know the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
So you frame the answer by yourself. Just tell me.
Ma'am, no, ma'am, I can frame the answer by myself, ma'am, but I'm having the doubt that if I will frame, so it will be wrong because in
No.
copy.
I will not cut it, because what I do is, what is my belief, that if you have understood the chapter and if your answer is actually exactly what the question is asking, I will surely give you marks. So don't worry about it.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, and like in all the chapters, ma'am, besides exercise, we have a lot of things ma'am, some paragraphs and all are given. So we have to practice all these also. They can also come in our exam as questions.
Fine, no issues. Any more doubt?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Didi, 1 minute. Didi, hold on. How many copies you have made for one subject?
Ma'am, I have made three, ma'am, two.
You
Grammar and
made
theory.
5 copies. In that bag, they were kept, 5 copies kept in that bag for English.
Yes, ma'am, I have.
So,
Ma'am, one is half yearly and second is final.
why this, beta?
Ma'am, because my grandmother has said that.
Things, never do this thing from next time. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
You will make
Yes,
only 2
ma'am.
copies. One is a pair copy, that is the prose copy, main course book.
Yes, ma'am.
Another one is the
Yes, ma'am.
grammar copy. Right?
Yes,
That's
ma'am.
all.
Yes,
Don't make
ma'am.
anything else.
Yes, ma'am.
For Hindi, English, all these languages I'm talking about.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, I have a doubt. Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes,
Ma'am, I have
clear all your doubts. I'm sitting here for that only.
Ma'am, in the exam, speaking and writing is also common.
Beta, I have conducted all the speaking skill and writing skill. One, I have given marks also, so don't worry about that.
No, ma'am. In the portal that was uploaded, I have written that in my copy, ma'am. But we have to learn that also.
No, nothing like that.
Yes. मैम फाइनल एग्जाम के क्वेश्चन जो है मैम आप लोग जैसे चैट में
I'm sorry, I don't understand Hindi.
मैम
ma'am, final exams question
हाँ.
you give in chat the online chat. You give ma'am, you give one. अरे मैम आप वो जो देते हो ना लिंक मैम वो चैट में वैसे आएगा कि फिर ऑनलाइन होएगा कि व्हाट्सएप में क्वेश्चंस आएगा?
Now keep quiet and listen to me very carefully regarding your examination. Clear?
Yes,
All the instructions will be given to you all by our school in this class WhatsApp group. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So follow
Excuse
your...
me, ma'am.
Let me speak. Let me speak, beta. Then only your doubts will be clear. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
One by one. Okay? Fine.
Yeah.
Listen to me very carefully. All the instructions will be given to you all through the class WhatsApp group. You have to follow each and every messages carefully. All the instructions will be given to you. Don't worry about that. And I've told you all that how much marks the paper consists of. The paper will be consisting of 40 marks, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So don't get panic at all. Don't take tension. Everything I have explained in detailed manner. If you have any doubts regarding your examination, your class teacher is also there. She will clear everything, right? Regarding your subject, if you have any doubt, you're most welcome. You can ask me.
Yes, ma'am.
All the revision work is done. Everything is completed. Classes are completed. Everything is done. So don't worry about all these things. What is there? If you have any doubt regarding any chapter, anything, you are most welcome. You can ask me.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I have a doubt.
One,
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
one by one.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Wait, Titi. Let Janya ask first. Janya.
Yes,
मैम वो मैं पूछने के लिए ऑन की थी, अब भूल गई, फिर लोअर कर.
आप भूल गई. Okay, Titi.
Yes, ma'am, I have a doubt in Kaziranga chapter. Ma'am, the question number D, answer this question. Ma'am, question number 2 is very long.
So you write long answer. Thing is very simple. I can't make it short. I'm sorry. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, no compromise with all these things. Anything
Yes,
else?
ma'am.
Any other doubt? Any doubt? Listen, learn all the writers' names, whatever the story is, poet's name, whatever the poem is, right? Any corner, any place, I will ask you question from the chapter or the poem, right? Any line I can ask you, and I can ask any question on that. So please
Yes.
be prepared. Please be prepared.
Yes,
Don't
ma'am.
say that, ma'am, आपने तो ये नहीं पढ़ाया था. So मेरे साथ
Yes,
ऐसा
ma'am.
नहीं होता है, right? Okay. Anything
Okay,
else?
ma'am.
Arav, any question, any queries, any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No question. Fine. Lavdi? Lavdi?
Ma'am, I have doubt.
Please.
Yes, ma'am.
Any
Ma'am,
doubt?
we make a... Ma'am, I have no, ma'am. No.
No doubt.
ma'am.
Okay, fine. Josh, switch on your camera.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Swani.
Ma'am, we make a... Ma'am, suppose I'm giving an exam of English. So, ma'am, make a new copy, then write in that copy.
Yes. Now listen to me. Make a new copy, fresh copy, right? The first page of your copy, all the main important points should be written, like name of the school, your name, ID, class, section, whatever you are having, the complete detail with the subject. whichever subject examination is there. If it is a final exam, Arav, stop eating now. While my class is going on, don't switch off the camera, otherwise I will make you remove from my class. Don't dare to do this thing. Hardly 2 periods are there, then to also eating. Fine. We were talking about the how to write in the examination. From the second page, you will start writing. Write the first letter of that question, put a dot dot mark, put a question mark and then write. Put a correct question number should be written in your copy. Don't write wrong question numbers. Clear? Titi.
Yes. Sorry, ma'am.
Okay. Any more questions? Any more questions?
Ma'am, we have
Hmm.
ma'am, we have to make a one copy for the exam.
Just now what I said, my dear children.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, only one copy you have to make now of all the subjects.
No, beta, only one single copy that will be enough for all the subjects.
Yes, ma'am.
In the examination, right?
Thank you, ma'am.
Anything else?
No, ma'am.
No? Sure.
No,
Shall we
ma'am.
take your speaking skill test now?
Yes, ma'am.
Ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Let's start with Jash. Where is Jash? Where is Jash? Gone. Gone. Malik. 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 The moment I am asking questions, either they are moving out of the class or they are muting themselves. No answers. Nishtha. Nishtha.
Yes, ma'am.
Few lines on examination. Okay, I have network issues. No problem.
Yes,
I will
ma'am.
continue.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me a few lines on examination. How do you feel? Avni, wait. You just wait.
Ma'am, like.
Like means what? If I ask you, tell me about yourself, how will you describe yourself?
My name is
The same?
my name is Mr.
I'm not asking that. I'm saying I gave you a topic examination. Speak on that. Come on. Come on.
Ma'am, lines left to side.
Okay, fine. So Avni will give an example for you all. Avni,
Yes, ma'am.
Can I tell? Ma'am, can I tell?
wait now. Wait. Avni,
Yes, ma'am.
say beta.
Good afternoon. My name is Avni Jain and I am here to say a few lines on examination. Examination are of four types of PT1, half yearly, PT2 and annual exam. We should not cheat in our examinations. We should read properly. We should give our exams properly and we in our examinations we should give our best. We should not try to do things which are harmful like do cheating and bring chits to school, uh, peek in others paper, etc, etc. The papers are for our practice and our annual exam passes us and we go to our next class. So uh, examination is a rule and without it uh, the school is not of use. So we should give exams nicely. Thank you.
Great. Good job. Anyone else would like to say something?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes.
In exam, we not cheat, but in exam, we follow the examination rule. Oh. And in exam, there is some rules that we not cheat and not bring some chit in school. And if there is online test, so we will not cheat. But any children cheat, but we not to cheat.
You are copying all the lines which Avni spoke just now. You speak by your own, na beta.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes.
My name is Riddhi. I'm from class 5th A. I'm going to tell about the exams. In exam meaning is why do we get exam? Because
You get exam.
Yeah,
Or you
no, ma'am, I'm giving the exam, ma'am. Because why we give exam, ma'am? Because we give exam, which we have learned. If we do not give exam, we don't know which we have learned that. That's why we have to give exam.
okay, fine. Arav,
Yes, ma'am.
speak few lines on parents.
Parents. Good morning, my respected teachers. My name is R. Botra. I will speak on the topic parents. My parents care a lot of me. My parents do everything I want, and my parents are very caring.
Over. Finish.
Thank you.
Finish.
Yes,
Huh?
yes ma'am.
Achha.
Yes, ma'am.
Means whatever you want, they give you, that is enough. And means you don't have any feelings for them. You don't have any.
I have.
Avni,
I have.
you have feelings for your parents? Good. Nishta,
Yes, ma'am.
can you speak?
Ma'am, what? Ma'am, about parents. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, excused.
Ma'am, topic.
Parents?
Okay, ma'am.
Waiting.
Yes.
16
Good
students
afternoon.
today.
Good afternoon. My name is Nishtha Jain. So today I'm going to say few lines on parents.
Hmm.
Parents are like parents,
You frame the sentence.
our parents give us many like toys, dresses, and
Nishta,
our body.
Nishta, you frame the sentence properly first. In the meanwhile, let me listen to Ashi. Ashi? 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 Start, beta. I'm waiting for your answer. you
मैं सोच
तुम सोच रहे हो. ओके ओके ओके. कितना टाइम लोगे सोचने के लिए? हाउ मच टाइम डू यू नीड?
Ma'am, can I tell Tithi?
Yes, Tithi, speak.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Tithi Jain and I am from class 50. So I am speaking about parents. Parents are helping us in exam, but we should tell our parents, don't help us. We will do own. So parents can teach, but not helping in exams because cheating is very bad and we should tell our parents to not tell us in exams. Thank you.
I asked you about your parents. And you have mixed examination and parents both together. The point was really good. But speak few more points on parents.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can I speak?
Yes, Samriddhi.
Good afternoon to all. My name is Samriji Jain from class 5th. My topic is parents for few lines. Love your parents and treat them with loving care for. You will only know their value when you see their empty.
Over.
Ma'am, she's saying from Google.
I saw that. Just now, some few, Avni said that we should not cheat. When ma'am is taking test, we should not do this, we should not do that. And in the class itself, in the online class only, they have started cheating. See, Avni, what you said just now and what is happening now.
Yes, ma'am.
Ashi, will you continue or shall I give the chance to someone else? Ashi. Mohit. Mohit.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak on your parents?
क्या ma'am?
Parents. Can you speak few lines on your parents? Mohit, do you understand English?
मैम मैं अभी कुछ काम से गया था मैम और जाने
अच्छा, तो आप क्लास में क्यों आए हैं बेटा?
मैम मेरे को क्लास ज्वाइन करने के बाद बताए
अच्छा, तो you have to speak on the topic. You have to speak on the topic parents.
ओके मैम
Speak. Come on. I would like to ask Avni to speak on this topic. Avni,
Yes, ma'am.
please speak something,
Can I say?
something motivational so that all the students can understand.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Good afternoon. So, my topic is my parents. I love my parents a lot, and parents do things for the children so much that we can't say anything. Our father works for us, he earns, and we eat food. Our mother cooks food. Our parents do a lot. Our parents do a lot for us. some kids are like that when they don't let them stay in their house. They and leave them in old age home. We shouldn't do this. Our parents are like God. Without parents, we can't do anything. When we are small, we grow up from our mother's milk. She feeds us. Our father works in the sunshine for us. Our parents are a lot for me. I love my parents very much and I can do anything for them. Thank you.
That's great. That's great. Whenever if I give you all any topic, yes, Ashi. Ashi, you want to say something?
Parents are a life of our. Don't walk in wrong way. Walk in right way.
Okay, fine. So when I'm telling you all, I'm giving you all any topic, so you need to describe the topic in that manner, right? Now, if I ask you to speak on the topic COVID-19, who is ready to?
Ma'am,
Who is ready to speak? Nishtha,
Ma'am, I.
Ashi,
Ma'am, I also. Ma'am,
Ashi, speak. Let me listen to you. Ashi, Ashi. Do you want to speak, Ashi?
Ma'am, I want to speak.
Tithi. Acha.
Yes, ma'am.
Say, then Nishtha will speak.
Ma'am, COVID-19 is a virus and we should go out by wearing mask and one sanitizer we have to take with us. And we should not go outside without mask. So we should, when we are coming from outside at home, we should do hand wash or hand sanitizer. So we should save ourselves and our families. Thank you.
Nishtha, Ashi.
Ma'am, after Nishtha, can I?
Wait, Ashi, then Nishtha, then Riddhi. Ashi, speak.
My name is Sashi Jain and now I am going to speak about COVID-19. COVID-19 virus is very harmful, so we have to wear masks, gloves, and sanitize our hands, and we have to go outside on
Ashi, I have to give chance to others also.
forgotten line.
Okay, no problem.
Forgotten line.
No problem, no problem. Next, who is going to speak? I gave already the names. Ashi, then? After Ashi, who was there?
Nishtha.
Ma'am Nishtha.
Nishtha? Nishtha?
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Say, beta.
Good afternoon. My name is Mr. Jan from class 8. Today I'm going to speak some lines on COVID-19. So, the coronavirus, other name is COVID-19, and coronavirus are a large family of virus. And the symptoms of coronavirus is cold, dry cough, joint pain, and taste and smell. We can't taste and smell if we are in COVID-19, and we should not go out without mask, and we should keep social distancing 6 feet and um, and ma'am, COVID-19 is stand for ma'am CEO stands for corona, VI stands for virus, and D for disease.
Okay, very good, very good.
Thank you.
Next, we will speak.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, Riddhi.
My name is Riddhi Chopra. I am from class 5th A. I am going to speak about COVID-19. In COVID-19, we have to make a distance of 1 meter, and we have to wear a mask, and we have to wear gloves and PPT kit also. In COVID-19, we have COVID-19 symptoms are cough and cold, all fever are their symptoms, and COVID-19 has in our body, so they attack into our lungs. Ma'am, they they attack in lungs.
Okay, next.
And ma'am,
Else? Good,
no ma'am,
good, very good. Anything else?
no ma'am.
Okay. Anyone else would like to speak on the same topic? Okay, so this was a great session today. What was my job is that is I thought that to clear all your doubts. If you have any doubt related to your examination is of 40 marks, 20 marks objective, 20 marks written, right? Do follow all the rules and regulations properly. Write neatly, cleanly, put a good question mark, properly take the click of that copy properly so that other things should not come. आपको जब scan करेंगे, so the bed sheet, the table, the legs, the hand should not come. It should be a proper PDF, should be made PDF, should be renamed in your name. Renaming of the PDF should be done properly. अगर आपका maths का exam है, for example, Nishtha is giving maths exam for final examination, so Nishtha will write Nishtha final maths PDF. Okay, so this much is important with the ID number. ID is compulsory, children. Without that, you cannot upload the PDF. So please, while uploading the PDF, rename the PDF properly and then upload it. Very clear to everyone?
Please repeat, ma'am.
Yes ma'am, yes ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I said that जब आप स्कैन करेंगे तो दूसरे चीजों के पिक्स नहीं आने चाहिए. Clear? The pic should be of answer sheet only. Properly crop करके भेजेंगे. Okay. Proper details should be done.
Okay, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am. मैम नाम क्या लिख के PDF भेजना है मैम?
अगर आपका इंग्लिश का एग्जाम है तो you will write your name, ID, final English PDF. If it is your maths, your name, ID, final PDF, send. Okay. Name, subject should be there in your PDF. PDF का
Ma'am,
rename.
name, ID, final.
Exam का नाम, name of the exam.
I'm like name, ID, final, maths.
Yes. True. Okay, then thank you so much for attending the class. Take care. See you all. Bye-bye and all the best for your examination.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you ma'am, bye ma'am.
Bye.